AI checklist for small businesses. Today I wanted to walk you through something that's becoming essential for small businesses or small business owners, an AI checklist. If you're running a small business, you're probably wearing multiple hats. You are managing operations, handling customer service, maybe doing your own marketing. It is exhausting. And that's exactly how and where AI can help you. Let me break it down what you should be thinking about. First, identify your pain points. Where are you spending the most time? Is it answering repetitive customer questions, creating social media contents, managing your schedule? Write these down. These are your opportunities that you have to write them down. Next, explore AI tools that match those needs. They're all solutions for almost everything now. Chatbots for customer service, content generators for marketing, scheduling tools that learn your pattern. The key is finding what actually fits your business, not just jumping on every trend. Then comes the important part. Start small, pick one tool, test it for 1 or 2 weeks, see if it actually saves you time or improves your work. If it does, great. If not, move on. There is no shame in that. Now think about your data. AI works best when it has good information to work with. Make sure your customer data, product information, and process are organized. Clean data means better results. Don't forget about your team. If you have employees, bring them into this conversation. They will use these tools too. Their feedback's really important and matters. Finally, keep learning. AI is changing fast. Set aside a time a month to see what's new. Join small business communities online or in person. Share what's working with other owners and see how it works. The businesses winning right now aren't the ones using the most AI. They are the ones using it strategically in ways that actually matters to their bottom line. Start with your checklist today. Your future self will thank you. Because me as a small business owner, I'm seeing if I list the pain points where I'm struggling, then after that, find the AI tools that match those needs. Then after that, see in 1 week, 2 week, does it actually saves time? If that doesn't work, move on to the other tool. Or if I want to save more time, join to the communities, see the YouTube, see the things that actually people tested out those tools and that works. Do not chase the trends. Find the ones that actually works for your business, because every business has different needs based on different niche, scale, and the location and type of service they provide. That's why it's important in 2026 that you have your AI checklist for your business. That's important.